So if you have read the question, you'll definitely see that 2 points are given here. Let us give the name to the points A and B. These are the coordinates of point A and these are the coordinates for point B. And if AB is divided by the point C, and C point is also given in the question, then we have to find out the ratio. This AC by BC. That means if a line joining the points AB is divided by a point C, so this point C divides this line in which ratio, that we have to find out. So let point C divides AB in M1 is to M2 ratio, right? So if the ratio is M1 is to M2 and we have the section formula, so after applying the section formula, let us see what kind of coordinates we'll get. So by section formula, till now you should learn it, that what is the section formula? Section formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1, M1 plus M2. It's very easy to learn 1, 2, 2, 1. They always will come alternatively. So similarly for the y coordinate we have M1 y2, M2 y1 and divide by M1 plus M2. So according to this section formula, if I apply this formula here in this case and the ratio is M1 is to M2, so the coordinate of C I will find out by this formula. This implies coordinates of C are, what will be the coordinate of C? Then the coordinate of C will be, apply this formula here in this question. Let me rub this. So if this is x1, y1, x2, y2, ratio is m1, m2. So the coordinate C will be equal to m2 into minus 3. That means minus 3 m2 plus 6 m1 upon m1 plus m2. And in the same way, if I apply this for the y coordinate, I'll get m1 into 6, that is 6 m1 plus 10 m2 and divide by m1 plus m2. But the coordinate of C are already given in the question, which is equal to C minus 1, 6. What it means? It means that minus 1 should be equal to the x coordinate, this one, and 6 should be equal to y coordinate, this one. So after comparing these two, what we get? We get that minus 3 m2 plus 6 m1 upon m1 plus m2 should be minus 1. Similarly, if I am putting here these two equal, then I can solve, I can get the value of m1 is to m2 from there also. So I am just taking the value of x, I am comparing the values of x and I will get it like minus 3 m2 plus 6 m1 equal to, if I multiply this with minus 1, I will get minus m1 minus m2. So solve it further. I'll get minus 3 m2 plus m2 plus 6 m1 plus m1 equal to 0, or we can write it as 6 m1 plus m1 is 7 m1 and minus 3 m2 plus m2 is minus 2 m2, and if I take that on right hand side it will be 2m2 or m1 upon m2. This m1 upon m2 is 2 by 7. So m1 upon m2 is 2 by 7. That means the required ratio will be equal to m1 is to m2 and which is equal to 2 is